seen improvement in his the tongue positions and his breathing and the way he handles his tongue. Usually he was not able to move his tongue properly and the control over his tongue was not that good. But now it's been a while, but it's better comparatively, and his breathing has improved. And the main thing is the jaw and his facial expressions that everybody is noticing. His jaw has come out, and then I can see his cheekbone and his facial expressions are getting better, and it's improved actually. And I'm feeling good. And thank you.